Just before you start singing, can you tell us your name, where you're about to stay, and your age?
I'm David. I'm 17 years old.
Okay. Yeah. So, what song have you prepared for us today?
Cleaner Song Michelle. Leaving song.
All right. Yeah. Do you mind keeping down the guitar and sing just the chorus for us again without the guitar? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think your voice is really good and you're confident, but you have to keep, when you sing, you have to sing louder, because when it goes with the guitar, we can't hear your voice very well, yeah? What do you think? Do you think so? Yeah. So when you sing with the guitar and when all of the music, drum will be there, guitar will be there, everything will be there, right? And the audience will be there most of all. So it have to go together with the music. And if you sing that low and if it's not loud, so we can't hear you very well. But other than that, it's really good. And yeah, I really like, you keep smiling and I can see it. You're very relaxed, which I love about it. Yeah, just that you have to sing loudly, okay? Yeah.
Some choice that the change that who only the change that then never get corruption. One way the change that the Kayu the Kaja, do you onion hold it? When we walk through the chamber, walk about like ဆိုတဲ့ခါကျရင် instrument ပပလေးတီးတဲ့ဟာမျိုး rock လိုက်ပါတဲ့ဟာမျိုးဟုတ်တယ်နော်အဲ့လိုချင်းလေးအေးလေးယူရည်ရဲအဲ့မှာလေးတန်အရင်တိတ်တော့အရင်အလားချိုးတယ်လေအဲ့လိုမျိုးရှားတော့အကောင်းနဲ့နောက်ခါဆိုတဲ့ခါကျအဲ့လိုမျိုးချင်းလေးအေးလေးယူရည်ပြီးတော့ပပလေးတီးဟာပြီးတော့ဆိုတဲ့ခါကျပတ်ဆက်လို့နည်းနည်းဖွင့်လို့ဆိုတဲ့ညနေပြအရင်ကောင်းတယ်နားလည်းချိုးနေအဲ့လိုမျိုးတော့ခါနေကျဆွေးတဲ့တချင်းဆိုရင်အဲ့လိုမျိုးကြီးရောမဟုတ်ဘူးလေညလုံးလေးနဲ့ပဲဆွေးတဲ့ဟာလေးတရုပ်ခေါ်လို့ရတယ်အဲ့လိုမျိုးလေးတော့မျက်နှာလေးကျတဲ့ဟာအဲ့ဒါလည်းဒီရကောင်းတယ်ပြီးတော့ဒီတော့ကျတော့ညနေကျရင်ဒီ text message ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ဒီနည်းနဲ့ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ကြမ်းကြလို့
Thanks so much, David.
Thank you.